I don't know if y'all can hear me, but you know, doing a little fall decoration. So pick up a little song for Ray. That's what it is. So thankful, man. We still got some other stuff to get. So you know, I'm gonna go home, eat a little bit, and then just go get some more stuff, I guess.
What's up, you guys? It is Ray, and we are back with another video. It has been a little second, but it's okay. It's okay. It be like that sometimes. Sometimes you just gotta take a little mini break and do what you got to do.
So what do we have to do?
We had to relax and take a break. But yeah, what are we doing today?
Shopping.
Per usual, we always shopping.
We're doing some fall shopping.
Fall shopping. Cause it's the holiday, baby. It's the holiday time, and we're here to sing some happy songs of cheer. Sing it with me now. Holiday season is here. Anyways, before we get too deep into the video, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And let's get into it. Where are we going first?
Dollar Tree.
All right, we're gonna see y'all when we get there. Just leave him where you at sometimes. He'll follow.
Hey.
We made it to Hobby Lobby. Oh yeah.
Did we tell y'all we was going to Hobby Lobby? I don't think we told y'all we was going to Hobby Lobby.
Yeah, we did.
We did?
Did we?
I don't think so.
We probably did.
Well, anyway, we had Hobby Lobby.
Pretty much.
You know, pulled up, it rained a little bit.
It done rained a little bit. As long as it rained while we in the car and not outside, it looked real bright over here though. Is the holiday season. I don't know what exactly we're looking for, but found these to go inside of the little bucket that we got. But I'm not sure what else we need. This is cute. I wish I would have went with that theme for Thanksgiving or fall. I like the little checkered look. Look at that, that's cute.
This is not fall. This good. What are you doing? This is not fall at all. She done went to Christmas.
How big is our house? How high is the ceiling?
Well,
What do we need, 6 feet?
I don't know, but we don't need it right now. We decorating for fall, not Christmas.
We need a tree, pre-lit tree.
Need pumpkins and pumpkin spices.
Oh,
What they got to do with fall?
it's holiday time. We love a theme. Look at that theme right there.
This is not fall.
Look at that theme.
This is not fall. This is what we're looking for.
Ooh. Look at that theme. Somehow we made it to, you see it in the background. You see it, what? You see it in the background. We made it to Target. I needed shelves to put the decorations on. Hopefully, hopefully they got the right color in here. We are back at the house from shopping. We just made it back from Target. All the stuff is on the thing. Now he has to take his nap.
Yeah, about to eat me a honey bun and go to sleep. So I will see y'all later.
And then I may or may not be decorating while he take his nap, but y'all will know because I'm record. So, all right, you guys, it is around 6 o'clock. Tone is still back there taking his nap. So I decided to go ahead and start. The house is a mess, as you can see right now. I'm gonna go ahead and start decorating, fix it up, clean it up, get it all out the way. Look who's awake. Gonna make our bucket. I gotta put our floral arrangements together. think we've hit a brick in our decor. We need a stud finder to hang up the shelves on the wall. And you here with me, so who else don't know what they're doing?
Yeah, do I look like Ty Pennington? Do I look like I do home makeovers?
So you don't know what you're doing either.
I never said I did.
So we're gonna have to find another place for our stuff to go on that little thing. I mean, for our stuff that was gonna go on the shelves to go on somewhere else. Cooking the dinner over there.
This is so illegal in Italy. We are not supposed to break the noodles. But you know, someone's a big child, so I have to, you know, break down the noodles for
Someone
them.
being the one breaking down the noodles.
No, someone that's, you know, I eat my
Someone
noodles
being
whole.
the one breaking down the noodles.
I'm Italian.
Boy. Right, y'all. So that was the finished. Don't be looking at my head like that. That was the finished living room, dining room. Well, is it really finished? It's not ever finished because I'm definitely gonna go get some more pumpkins for our little pumpkin patch on the floor by the TV. I need some more lights in here. I want to get a garland for the TV, so it's definitely not done. But it's a good start. It's only August.
Yeah, it's only August.
And Halloween is gonna be different, so not much different, but it's gonna have some differences in it. So
I'm gonna have my costume.
it's gonna be changing.
Huh?
It's gonna be changing for. It's not gonna change for Thanksgiving, but for Halloween and Christmas, cause it's holiday season. Y'all.
Golly, you just smacking all in the
You
eyes.
all right?
No, my eyes they tearing up. They tearing up.
But are you okay?
No.
Will you live?
No.
Yes. So we gonna catch y'all on the next one, cause we in there cooking the food. Y'all like my hat? I also bought this today. But yes, we gonna catch y'all on the next one. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Share with your friends, and we will catch y'all on the next one.